Hey, welcome back to my shop. I hope this finds you healthy. I hope it finds you well. I've actually had this video in the can for quite a while. The project's been done since really September. I just never got around to editing it, and I'm between projects now. What I'm talking about is my miter station. I have a small basement shop. It's a 14 by 14 room. We have talked about this before. I keep my table saw, my bandsaw, as well as my miter saw up in my garage. Let's be honest, everybody wants to get their steps in every single day, but who wants to do it running up and down just to cut things one at a time? Look, it's great. You get your steps, you get a little bit of exercise, but to be perfectly honest with you, it's kind of killing my knees. I am very good friends with Michael Long. He is the woodworker for MK Designs out in Colorado. We talk all the time. Well, if I was really honest, we have coffee every single day. We were talking about my struggles with storage as it pertained to my shop, especially as I was collecting more and more tools. And he said, hey, I designed this miter station. Why don't you give it a go? He sent me a set of plans. I kind of tweaked them a little bit, and this is what I came up with. In the end, this was a great build. It was an easy build. It cleaned up a lot of what was going on. I was tripping over stuff all the day, and at the same time, I'm now able to use my miter saw in my basement, make repeatable cuts, and it's just definitely improved my workflow. If you're really interested and you like the miter station, you can actually get a set of plans. Surf over to MK Woodworking Designs. You can find them on Facebook. You can find them on the internet, and Mike has actually given me a 25% discount code for you to purchase these plans. That being said, you have to watch my video. Yes, somewhere in the video I will drop that discount code out in. Look, I'm sorry, I want you to watch my video. I hope you enjoy this process-based video. As always, if you like the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and share my channel in this video. You can reach out to me on social media, be it Facebook or Instagram, at The Crafty Wiener. You can send me emails at scott@thecraftywiener.com. I know I say it a lot. I say that I've got a lot of content that's getting ready to come. Finally, there's a lot of things that are going on that are super exciting, and I'm so thrilled to be able to share it with you. In the meantime, let's build a miter station. So we always talk about making sure that we measure twice, sometimes in my case 4 times, before we do cuts. I made a mistake. I wanted to have this miter station have storage for the sustainers for the Festool tools that I've started to gather. I did all of my measurements on the vacuum, thinking that maybe back-to-back sustainers would be the same dimension. No, didn't work. Pieces are cut. I don't want to waste. It's a shop project, so we go into problem-solving mode. So what I did was, I ran through the dado, created some rabbets, took the 3/4 inch, turned it into a 1/2 inch, and still left a little bit of a ledge here for the 1/2 inch plywood to sit on. And it seems to be working fine. It's not going to be pretty, which is going to drive me nuts, because yeah, I like things to be perfect. It's just my nature. But it actually seems to be working. And that's what we're going to do so that I can get all of this stuff put away so I'm not tripping on it anymore. you enjoyed this video. I hope you like what you saw. I hope you learned a few things, picked up a few tricks here or there. And as always, I hope you like and subscribe and share the channel. Don't forget to check out Michael Long of MK Woodworking Designs. Check out his channel, check out his website. In the meantime, I hope this finds you well. I hope it finds you healthy, and I hope it finds you building beautiful things in your shop. See you soon.